Hi, welcome to the Allman Products tutorial series. My name is Jeff Kellen. I'm an Allman engineering technician. Today I'm going to go over the operation of the setup, start, and shutdown of your units. Today I'm going to be covering the air-cooled 3 kW light tower. For step 1, you're going to transport your light tower to the work site. Properly and safely position the light tower trailer on a solid level surface. Do not set up the light tower trailer on an incline more than 5%. Do not set up the light tower on unlevel or unstable ground. Check site for overhead obstructions such as power lines and trees. Keep in mind the maximum height of the light tower when fully raised. Step 2. Deploy the tongue jack. Remove the jack locking pin. Rotate the tongue jack into the operating position and install the jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes in the jack and tongue. Unfold the crank handle, turn the jack handle clockwise to lower the jack foot, and raise the front of the light tower trailer. Step 3. Put wheel chocks against the front and rear of each wheel. Step 4. Deploy the outriggers. The unit has left and right outriggers at the rear of the machine. Pull the outrigger locking pin. Move the outrigger out until the pins lock the outrigger in the operating position. Remove the stabilizer jack locking pin, turn the jack into the operating position, and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes in the jack and outrigger. Unfold the handle of the stabilizer jack, then turn clockwise to lower the jack firmly planted onto the work site surface. Repeat for opposite outrigger and stabilizer jack. Step 5. Make the light tower trailer level front to back and side to side using the jacks. Step 6. Rotating the light tower. First, loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in the desired direction. Tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 7. Adjust each fixture to the desired position. To adjust left and right, move the fixture yoke. To adjust up and down, loosen the locking knob, adjust the fixture, then tighten the locking knob. Step 8. Examine the fuel level in the fuel tank. Add fuel if necessary. Step 9. Open the engine compartment cover. Remove the dipstick from the engine and examine the engine oil level. The engine oil level should be between the full and add marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Step 10. Operating the engine. Turn the deep sea control module on-off switch to the on position. To manually start the engine, push the start button on the deep sea control module. After the intake heater has warmed the intake, the engine will start. After the engine has started, you will need to turn on your main breaker. Once the main breaker is in the on position, flip all light circuit breakers into the on position. All your lights should proceed to turn on. For complete information on the deep sea control module, read the deep sea control module's operations manual. The NLGR Air Cooled has an emergency stop on the rear left side of the trailer that will immediately shut down the entire unit in case of an emergency. Step 11. Raising and lowering the light tower. Turn the winch handles until the tower is fully raised. Do not overturn the handles. Step 12. The unit is equipped with auxiliary outlets. Auxiliary AC outlets are located on the right panel near the rear side of the unit. Each outlet is protected by a spring-loaded cover. Step 13. Close the engine compartment cover. Step 14. The light tower is now in operation for the worksite. For more information on your Night-Lite GR-Series Air Cooled unit, scan the QR code near the control box to access the product operations webpage on the Allman's website. For the shutdown of your unit, you're going to first open the engine compartment cover. Second step, shut down the engine. Push the stop button on the deep sea control module. The lights will turn off automatically before the engine shuts down. Step 3. Wait 10 minutes for the lights to cool. Step 4. Lower the light tower. Turn the winch handles until the tower is fully lowered. Do not overturn the handles. Step 5. Rotate the light tower to the transport position. Loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in transport position. And tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 6. Adjust the light fixtures to the transport position. Turn the light fixtures to the rear of the unit. Step 7. Make sure the engine compartment cover is closed and latched. Step 8. Retract the outriggers. Fully lift the stabilizer jack foot by turning the jack handle counterclockwise. Fold the handle, remove the stabilizer jack locking pin, turn the jack into the transport position, and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Pull the outrigger locking pin and move the outrigger in until the pin locks the outrigger in the transport position. The unit is now ready to transport.